Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your own 3D AI minifigure effects on your phone. So the 3D AI minifigure effect is going viral and now it's your turn to join the trend. And in this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how you can create your own mini toy style AI edits that look super realistic and aesthetic. So these are some of the example of the trend. Now let's just make it. So you can basically do it on your phone or maybe on your PC. If you're using on your mobile like I do in here, you just need to use one app, which is a Gemini application. So open your Gemini application. So once the app is open, you can just use this prompt. You can copy this prompt on your Gemini. You can use this. So here is the prompt that I use. Use the nano banana model to create a 1:7 scale commercialized figure of all the characters in the illustration. So if you have more than one characters on the photo, it will also cover that. And place the figure on a computer desk using a circular transparent acrylic base without any text. On a computer screen, display the ZBrush modeling process of the figure, and next to the computer screen, place a Bandai style toy packaging box printed with the original artwork. So now you can just upload the photo that you want to change or transform into the 3D AI minifigure. Click on the plus button in here. Go to your gallery and choose the photo. For example, I'm using this photo in here. Now you can just tap on this button to generate the results. So Gemini will ask you to wait for just a few seconds to finish generating the photo based on your prompt. So let's just wait until the result is out. Okay, so now the image is ready and here is the result. So if you like it, you can just download this image by long press on it and tap on save. And yeah, that's basically it. So don't just scroll, create your own viral edit and flex your minifigure look today on your TikTok or Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!